Very interesting question. Data analysis has become so important because fundamentally it challenges old thought processes. It challenges the consensus. It challenges the way we have thought and the way we've done things before. And it provides raw data which, analysed correctly, can tell you why people make decisions, can tell you why consumers go for a certain colour, can tell you why consumers want a certain product, can tell you why consumers purchase something and then buy another product. So it is of use in all aspects of industry, but it can be tailored specifically toward your specific industry. And used correctly, data analysis is brilliant for addressing the two desires that drive us all humans, which is the fear of loss, so which is the fear of your company doing bad, which is the fear of you making a bad decision. So with correct use of data analysis, we can eradicate that fear. Also, data analysis is phenomenal for identifying the other great fear we have, the desire for gain. So the desire to increase our sales, the desire to increase our market share, the desire to perform better in work. Data analysis can help you achieve that. Well, the first part about running the data analytics workshop is to identify what it is the participants expect from it. What are their preconceived ideas about it? What do they know about data analytics? So that's the first phase. Secondly, quite often people don't fully understand it, and therefore I like to break down some barriers, and people may be a little bit embarrassed or afraid to ask about it because they're not fully aware of it. They know they should because it's become a buzz term of lately, and therefore they feel they should know about it, but quite often sometimes they don't. So having explored those and eradicated any of those issues, I like to explore practical examples, not just from industry, from consumer life, from family life, from sport, and use practical analogies from recent times and bring those into the workshop, and therefore people can relate so they can see what they can get out of data analytics. And essentially, data analytics should be able to tell us a story. So when we have a pile of data, what is this data telling us? What can we merge from it? What can we learn? So we use countless examples and we pull stories and theories out of it, and we see why it's driving consumer decision making. Finally, we would like that it would end up that it will help the participants make better decisions, so they can get data, they will know how to analyse it correctly, and from that empower them to make better and more effective decisions for your company.